Hey y'all, so please forgive me for this edit. I am literally squatting to do this intro. But if you want to see how I got my cute DIY lash extensions, please keep watching. I only literally used a couple things. It's so easy. You can order all of this stuff off Amazon. Just keep watching. Now I will say, disclaimer, this eye, I do believe, it has a space in it. Now, after I got done filming, and I'm gonna be real, I tried to fix it just like 30 minutes ago, and it just wasn't happening. So I'm gonna give it about a day, and then I'll just go in and literally put a lash right there. But it's not a space underneath, as you can tell. It's just when I look down, it looked like there's a gap, so I'm not really sure. But anyway, so it's super quick, super easy. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. I will be back this week with more tutorials, DIY stuff that you can do at home for your hair while we are in quarantine. I got a couple suggestions for videos, so I will be rolling those out. I'm so excited, and I'm about to go, so keep watching. Oh my goodness, you can see him so good. This is nice. Smoke. He's spooky. Smoke. Spooky. Oh, he's so pretty. Okay, so starting out, here are the lashes I always use. These are my favorite lashes, $2 lashes from the beauty supply, y'all. Actually, I got these for $1 because they was 50% off for some random reason. But these are the lashes I usually interchange anytime that I wear them, unless I want to go gaudy and I buy me like a mink pair that's super big. But these are super flexible and super easy to manage. And if I want the fuller look, I just stack them. So starting out, I'm going to use these tweezers. These clamps are really important to kind of adhere your lash and make it look natural. I use this Super Flex Mega Hold eyelash glue in the color black. Always recommend black glue when you do lashes. It just blends better. And then I go in with this I Envy Mega Hold individual eyelash glue. This is a bit harder and a bit harsher. And then the last thing is the Maybelline Colossal Lash Mascara. So as you can see, here's a clip just of my lashes, like while I'm doing them, but both of them have lashes now. And in the beginning, like I said, the disclaimer here is where you can kind of see the gap. Not really sure why there is a gap, but it's there, and we're gonna brace it for right now. So basically what I do is, well, first we're gonna say hey to Carter because he's gotta have his cameo. So the first thing we do is literally just cut that strip lash into about 4. And this time I put 5 lashes on each eye. So what I did was use 2 lashes per eye, right? So literally cut the first strip lash into about 3 and use 2 pieces from the second lash, if that makes sense. I hope this is making sense. But I go in underneath my eye. Now, depending on, like, if you're in a rush, if you don't really care, if you're good at it, you can do them on top, which I did them on top the week before. But this just gives me a cleaner look, and it literally makes it look like I have eyelash extensions. Like, I don't know. And if you say otherwise, you might be hating. I don't know, because they look good. And, like, literally, it's so easy. So, literally, follow along. You'll see me. I'm just kind of like, when you do it, you do have to kind of play around with the placement and get it exactly where you need it to be. And then go in with the clamp tweezer and clamp that right there to make sure it's actually attached to your lashes. So like so. Now basically you just gonna repeat this step until you get the desired look that you want. Or if you want to just follow what I'm doing, like I said, I use 5 pieces of lash. 5 pieces of lash. So this is my second piece. I'll add another one, and then I'll add 2 more. But I'm gonna fast forward and just come back on screen once I put on my last lash. And here I'm talking about a mess because I'm like, dang, I look kind of cute with my lashes. for $2, baby. Now, I'll leave links below where you can purchase your lash tools online. But also, you can try to go to a beauty store near you, because I hear beauty stores are actually doing call-in orders, and you just pull up with cash in hand and they'll literally bring out what you need. So you got two options here. I'm not really sure. But basically, yeah, this is what we're going to do. We're going to repeat this whole process until you get the desired look. And like right now, I'm just making sure that the lashes are adhered to my lashes and we won't have any problems. And luckily on this eye, we won't have any gaps. It'll look normal and great. But yeah, so literally just keep watching to see the finished results. And looking here, like, these look so good, y'all. It looked like I need to fill, honestly, on my other eye because of that gap. But when I looked up, I couldn't tell nothing. So I feel so bamboozled and fooled that I didn't see this as I was filming it, or as my husband was filming it. So now I'm going in and I'm adding basically a second layer of lashes to kind of give me a thicker volumized look. I just literally added 2 right in my outer corner and right in the middle. So now, again, like I said, just making sure these lashes are adhered to one another. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Now, to adhere the last 2, I will go in with the INB glue, just because it's a little harder and it has more of a, I guess, quicker hold. I didn't necessarily want the glue directly on my lashes, so that's why I went in with it last. But yeah, this is it. I am done. It was so easy, so quick. I hope y'all like this tutorial. If y'all give it a try, let me know. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, whatever it might be, and make sure you subscribe for my next video. I will see y'all later.